Hello everybody, my name is Kyle Eichmeyer, and I'm here to present an exciting new product, the RetroStone 2. There are many problems facing today's consumers in the video gaming community. They're having to purchase multiple gaming systems or have very expensive PCs. They're having to choose between playing on the go or have a console that has to be hooked up to your television. They also have to have additional costs for games and subscriptions to be able to use the expensive consoles that they're buying. The solutions to these problems is the RetroStone 2. The RetroStone 2 is a small handheld retro gaming console. It also has the HDMI cable to be able to connect to the television. It uses a small single board computer as a processor. It is also an open source library. This gives the customer an ability to add their own games, download other ones off the internet, or if they have the ability to, code their own if they so wish. It also has a feature where it can be played with multiple users. It is very user friendly and has many features that are well known to users. An image of the product is shown here to the right. The colored buttons on the right of the device will be used to perform specific tasks throughout their gaming experience. The D-pad on the left of the system will be used also in gaming and also to navigate the console overall. There's also a large, very colorful LCD screen to optimize user experience during gameplay. There is a very large video game console market in today's world. It is currently estimated to be about $28.5 million. The chart on the right of the screen shows the overall growth since 2011. Trending, as you can see, it is trending upwards over the past eight years. The market is estimated to grow to about $28.7 million US in 2020. The RetroStone 2 will be able to capture some of this market in the coming years. This is an appealing product to customer, as shown as a 600% plus funding rate that it received on Kickstarter in only 8 days. The channels of which we plan on reaching these customers mostly through online sales, through our own website, which we are currently creating, and also through Amazon. We will also target some brick-and-mortar stores, such as Walmart, Target, and GameStop. In these brick-and-mortar stores, we will allow users to, 1, buy it the same day, and 2, also set up demo stations to where they can try the system out before they buy it. One of the largest pillars our company is founded on is quality. We want our customers to feel that they are getting a great value for their money when they purchase one of our products. We want one quality open source console for all the retro gaming needs a customer could need. We want a quality product for a reasonable price. Some key resources that we have for our company are previous customer bases from our past products, our relationships with manufacturers from RetroStone 2, and also we already have a good name out in the market from our previous products. Some key processes that we have down are shipping and order fulfillment and online marketing. This has shown that we know how to do this through the success of our previous products. Our target customer is 1 that plays video games, 2 is interested in playing the retro games of the past, 3 is wanting to play retro games from many old gaming platforms and systems all on one console, 4 a desire to play on the go and also hook up to their TV and play, and 5 wants a simple, quality, all-in-one console to meet all of their gaming needs. Most of the proprietary tech that the RetroStone 2 is working off of comes from the RetroStone 1, as it has the same base design. Upgrades to the RetroStone 2 from the RetroStone 1 include a higher quality LCD screen, a removable battery, increased battery life, and an added audio jack. Some other features that we are looking at adding to the RetroStone 2 include onboard Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities to add to the overall use for the consumer. The main competition for the RetroStone 2 is as follows: Super NES Classic Edition for $169, the Nintendo Switch, which is $299.99 plus a $20 annual subscription fee for the retro games, the RetroBit Super Nitro Trial HD Plus for $79.99, and the NES Classic for $119. The main advantages over the competition that the RetroStone 2 has is its open source system, so the user can customize which games they would like to be able to play on their console, and also the ability to play on your TV and also on the go. Most retro gaming consoles on the market today are priced somewhere between the range of $100 to $160 US, with the max being about $299. We are selling the RetroStone2 at a base price of $155. At this price point, it will have more features than comparable consoles. It is a little bit on the higher end of the established market price, but this reflects their overall quality of the product. And also, at this price point, it will have a high value for the customers they will be getting in return. We will also be offering discounts on bulk unit purchasing for customers that order multiple units, such as 2 boxes of 10 or all the way up to 70 units in one order. When the customers think of the RetroStone2, we want them to think that this is going to be the last gaming console that they ever need to buy for their retro gaming needs. We plan to run most of our marketing through online sources, whether that is our own company website, our company ran social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, and our Reddit account. We also plan to do a lot of advertising on YouTube through both ads later on when we have more capital, and also through the use of influencers currently. We plan to give them consoles to either demo or just for free that they are able to use, and so they can provide reviews on YouTube for people debating about whether they would like to purchase one or if they are just looking for more information. We also will look at using more social media ads such as Facebook and Instagram down the road as we begin to see more growth in our product. We also plan to offer demo use to potential customers at brick and mortar stores, as previously mentioned. This way, potential customers will be able to actually use the product and see whether they like it or not, and see all the good features and how quality our product is, especially since we do not have a large name to go on the product. Now it's time to meet the team behind the RetroStone2 from left to right. First, it is me, Kyle Eichmeyer, the CEO. Second, our lead designer, Pierre-Louis Biard. Third, we have our head of marketing, Jennifer Watson. And last, but certainly not least, we have our CFO, Andrew Yang. The RetroStone2 has already shown some traction within the retro gaming market. We first launched it on Kickstarter, and we received over 1,300 backers. We raised over $230,000 of a goal of $30,000. All of this within 8 days. We were also selected to be on the list on Kickstarter of projects we love. This is a list that the people that run Kickstarter look at all the projects they have and find the ones with the most promise and put them all on a list for the users of the website to see. We performed financial projections for the next 3 years of the RetroStone2. Our startup year of 2019 is based mostly around Kickstarter data and the number of units and the amount of funds we were able to raise from using that crowdfunding website. As you can see, our base prices for our startup year of 2019 are slightly lower than what our prices will be in the years going forward. This is due to offer more quality and value to our customers initially, so that they will pre-order our products and we will know how many we need to manufacture. On Kickstarter, we were able to sell 536 base units, 608 Pro Edition units, 97 Duo units, 40 Duo Pro units, and 5 5-packs. We expect each type of sale unit to increase over the years. We also expect to see the most increase with our Pro Edition units, as we feel this offers the highest quality and value to our customers. Our gross profit in the first year of Kickstarter data is about $223,000. That number only includes unit sales from Kickstarter. Each console costs about $75 to make. We do not expect the cost to go down much from there, as we already have established relationships with the manufacturers from our previous product of RetroStone 1, and that manufacturing cost has not gone down much over time with that product. Our overhead mostly consists of our engineering team and then our sales and marketing as well. Our total overhead is expected to increase each year as we begin to expand the product overall. Our net income for the first year in 2019 is projected to be about negative $42,000. But after that first year of a loss, we expect to make over $150,000 in the next year, and then all the way up to over $450,000 by year 2022. We as a company are seeking funding from an outside source of about $100,000. This $100,000 will be split up into two chunks of $50,000. One for the initial manufacturing costs up front to get our product rolling, and the other $50,000 for additional marketing and customer acquisition costs that we may have not accounted for. We are currently in the production process to fill our Kickstarter's orders with the RetroStone2. We're also finishing the creation of a company website where we will be able to advertise from, answer users' questions, provide feedback from our customers, and also sell our units. We're also beginning the process of getting online marketing campaigns, such as getting quotes from ad companies and how much it would cost to run ads through social media. I appreciate your time and your attention throughout this presentation. If you'd like to reach out to me for more information, you can reach me at my email, my phone number, or my LinkedIn that are listed here. Thank you.